Hello, madlang people, mabuhay!
Today, we are thrilled to introduce to you Group 1. I am Jake Gomez.
I am Vince R.B. Harapan.
I am Jetmar Camarillo.
I am Romel Injape.
Kent Arjan Ibi.
Our incredible team has dedicated our time and effort to unravel the captivating world of the history of computers.
History of computer. In early 19th century, computer design was simple, but by the early 20th century, computer had revolutionized society. Computers had been around for more than 200 years. Mechanical calculators were created in the 19th century to address the growing complexity of number crunching problems, initially imagined by mathematicians and business people. By the turn of the 20th century, technological advancement made it possible for computers to become bigger and more sophisticated. Computers nowadays are hardly recognizable for 19th century inventions like Charles Babbage analytical engine, or even from the enormous machine that took up entire rooms in the 20th century like the electronic numerical integrator and calculator. Here's the brief history of computers from their early days of manual computation to the pushing device of today's that browse the internet, plays games, and stream multimedia.
Joseph Marie Jacquard invented a loom with punched cards for fabric designs, a precursor to early computer punch card system. English mathematician Charles Babbage's steam-driven difference engine for number calculations, founded by the British government, failed due to technological limitation. Ada Lovelace, daughter of Whittlord Byron, wrote the world's first computer program. As an annotation while work, she describes a step-by-step process for computing Bernoulli numbers, making her the first computer programmer. Swedish inventor Per George Soitz and his son Edward developed the first printing calculator, notable for computing tabular differences and printing results, as detailed in Utah C. Merzbach's book. Herman Hollerith's punch card system revolutionized the 1890 U.S. Census, saving time and $5 million. This initiative laid the foundation for IBM's formation, according to Columbia University.
In 20th century, Vannevar Bush constructed the differential analyzer, the first large-scale automatic general-purpose mechanical analog computer. Turing machine. Alan Turing first proposed the idea of a universal machine known as the Turing machine. Turing contributed to the creation of Turing-Wilhelm Bambi and electromechanical tools used to crack Nazi codes during World War II. Z3 machine. Konrad Zuse, a German engineer and inventor, finished his Z3 machine in 1941, the first digital computer ever created. Atanasov Berry computer. Atanasov Berry computer created the Atanasov Berry computer, or ABC, the first digital electronic computer. ENIAC, electronic numerical integrator and calculator, was created by Pressburg Eckert, the first automatic general-purpose electronic decimal digital computer. Univac, the first commercial computer used in a business and government. EDSAC, electronic delay storage automatic calculator, is created in 1949, the first practical stored program computer. In May 1941, EDSAC-1 is the first program which computed a table of squares and a list of prime numbers. CISARAC, Council of Scientific and Automatic Computer. It was the first digital computer in Australia, was created November 1949 by researchers at the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, or CISAR, today known as CISARO.
Late 20th century, Grace Hopper creates the first computer language, better known as COBOL, which stands for Common Business Oriented Language. Douglas Engelbart exhibits the first working model of the contemporary computer. 1971, Alan Shugart and a group of IBM engineers created a floppy disk, allowing information to be exchanged among several computers. Robert Metcalfe, a researcher for Xerox, creates Ethernet in 1973 to connect various computers and other gear. Two computer geeks, Paul Allen and Bill Gates, offer to write software of the Altair 8080 using the brand new BASIC programming language. The Altair 8080 is highlighted on the magazine cover of January issue of Popular Electronics as the world's first mini-computer kit to rival commercial models. After the success of their initial venture, the two boyhood friends found Microsoft, their own software firm, on April 4. On April 1st, 1976, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak co-founded Apple Computer. According to MIT, they present the Apple I, the first computer with a single circuit board and ROM, or known as read-only memory. The first West Coast Computer Fair, the Apple II computer, which boasts color graphics and an audio cassette drive for storage, is unveiled by Jobs and Wozniak at the fair. The first computerized spreadsheet program, VisiCalc, is released in 1978. Accord, the company's first personal computer, goes on sale for $1,565. The MS-DOS operating system from Windows is used by Accord. The first personal computer with a GUI was the Apple Lisa, which stands for Local Integrated Software Architecture and is also the name of Steve Jobs' daughter.
Latest 21st century, 2001, Mac OS or 05 Plus was released by Apple. OS goes through 14 different versions, each with 2 at its title, while the first 9 interactions are nicknamed Cheetah. 300G Allies Atom is the first 64-bit processor for personal computers. 2004, the Mozilla Corporation launches Mozilla Firefox during it came first 5 years prior exceeded a billion downloads by user. Google weighs Android and a Linux-based small phone operating citations. Book, the MacBook ad at Apple lost its shelves. It has Look-based dual-core mobile computer. Microsoft launches Windows 7 on July 22, 2005. Call to the die dedication to the task operating system based mobile. 2009, Microsoft launches Windows 7 on by 22 hours. Ability to pin application to the task bar, easy to access, jump list, presets of tiles, and more. Goten, the iPad Apple flagship, had handled with tablet and unveiled. 2011, Google released the Chromebook to none on a Google Chrome 08. 2013, Apple released Apple Watch and Microsoft released Canvas 10. 2016, the first reprogrammable quantum computer both has the capability to program new algorithms. The DARPA Defense Advanced Research Project Agency, dropping new molar informatics chemistry, offers a rich set of properties that may be able to harness for rapid scalable information storage and processing.